Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bots, which is Trojan Bot and Autosnipe Ai. So you get to decide which of these would be a better trading bot for you to use in 2025. Autosnipe Ai focus intensively on speed and sniping new token launches, aiming to get you into coin milliseconds after it lives. The hype specialized approach is designed for traders who prioritize being the absolute first to enter highly volatile new project, believing that early entry is the key to maximize potential gain. However, the strategy is inherently high risk, so many new memes coins fails or are designed as a rug pull, and some user reports suggest significant commission deduction, making it a very speculative tool where substantial gains are rare. In contrast, Trojan Bot offer a much broader and more robust suite for features suitable for a wider range of trading strategies, including meme coin, while also capable of fast execution and sniping. Trojan provides advanced functionalities like MEV protection, various other types, stop loss, DCA for dollar cost leveraging and averaging, and comprehensive portfolio management analytics. This makes Trojan a more versatile and arguably more controlled tools for meme coin trading, allowing for better risk management and more sophisticated strategies beyond just rapid entry. In conclusion, so if pure untreated speed for new listening is your only concern and you accept extreme risk, Autosnipe Ai might appeal. However, for more feature-rich, adaptable and potential safe approach to meme coin trading, Trojan bots generally stand out in the aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.